Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a work in progress. We're rebuilding a 500-gallon Hamilton double motion agitator. And as part of the process, we've installed new gears. You can see them operating in there. And there's no grease on them at this time because we're trying to get the motor set in its correct position so that the teeth mesh properly and fully. You'll see as it goes by there's some dye in there. We use that to locate how well the teeth are meshing. You want a full contact across the drive gear teeth to the two agitator teeth, giving you the double motion agitation. We're running right now through an AC frequency controller. Gives us variable speed. Added a bushing at the base of the scraper agitator where the counter rotating passes through. Stabilizes very nicely with fluid in it, of course. It'll run more stable. A few more things we're going to start tying up and getting going to finish this project. We have lots of kettles in our inventory like this, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.